Okay, my dear students, welcome to my online class. In your previous class, I have discussed about tag question rule 1 to 5. And today, I am discussing about tag question rule 6 to 10. 6 to 10. Rule 6. If the sentence is imperative, then we have to solve the tag question by taking the help of will you. That means if the sentence is imperative, the answer of the tag question is will you. I am repeating again. If the sentence is imperative, the tag question will be will you. I think you have got the idea and you have no problem in rule 6. Now I am discussing rule 7. If the sentence starts let's or let us, then we have to solve the answer of the tag question by taking help of shall we. I am repeating again. If the sentence starts let's or let us, then the answer of the tag question will be shall we. I think you have got the idea and you have no problem in rule 7. It's a very easy and simple rule. Now I am discussing rule 8. If the sentence starts by everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, nobody, none, neither, either, all of them, etc., then the answer of the tag question will be do not they or do they. Do not they or do they. That means if the subject will be everyone, everybody, somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, either, all of them, then the tag question, answer of the tag question will be do not they. Because which word I have included, these are the affirmative words. And if the sentence will be start nobody, none, neither, then the answer of the tag question will be do they. I think you have got the idea and you have to memorize these words, which words will be available in the sentences. Then we have to use they as a subject of the sentence. We have to use they as a subject of the sentence. Okay, my dear student, I think you have got the idea and you have no problem in these rules. Now I am discussing introductory there. If the sentence will be start by introductory there, then we have to use there as a subject. Here is an example. There is a school. There is a school. Here there is used as a subject. So I have taken as the answer of this sentence is not there. That means if there will be used as a subject, then we have to the answer of the tag question will be by taking help of there. I think you have no problem in these rules. And now I am discussing about rule 10, all of us. If all of us will be used as a subject, then we have to use we as a subject. Here is an example. All of us should do it. All of us should do it. The answer of the tag question is should not we. That means I use here we as a subject instead of all of us. I think which rules I have discussed in your previous class and today's class, these rules are enough for giving or for solving the answer of the tag question. I have included a note here. I have written some word here as a note: none, nobody, neither, never, hardly, seldom, etc. These are negative words. That means if this word is available in the sentences, that sentence will be treated as a negative sentence. If these words is available in the sentences will be treated as a negative sentence. I think you have got the idea about tag question. And I believe it, you have got a lot of conception by taking my class, and if you follow these rules, you can easily give the answer of tag question. My dear student, no more today. Thank you very much.